Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create very famous red cyan 3D effects out of your images. Yes, you don't even need to create different images. Your pre-images can be used to create that effect. And if you wear the 3D glasses, that red cyan glasses, you can see the 3D effect out of your images. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have. You don't even need any third-party application. And here you need to search for this website, which is 3dthis.com. Just simply hit enter and wait for the website to get load. Here you need to scroll down until you find this option which is stereoscopy for apps. Just simply click over there, and here you can see this option which is 3D viewer. Just simply click on this option and just simply upload your image, your sample image. For example, if I upload this image, and I just need to select this option which is red cyan and hit next and wait for the website to start rendering the image. Once the website renders the image, currently it will ask for some other option also. Select rendering, just simply hit this 3D experimental and start analyzing. You can see a little yet useful 3D effect has been generated. Now if I see this image from the red cyan glasses, this gonna be looking very interesting, or I can see the alternate wiggle effect also. So you can use it for experiments and for fun also. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.